Body language plus movement equals deception. Body language is defined as the non-verbal communication between two individuals or a group of individuals through physical behaviors such as limb movements, facial expressions, eye movements, other bodily gestures, and postures. The 7 subtle body language sign of deceptions. 1. Face gestures.
When a person lies, he cannot help it but relieve it by scratching particular parts of his face. When we lie, our body feels uneasy, and this makes us feel anxious. The autonomic nervous system kicks in to relieve our anxiety. Then the fight or flight response activates. This lessens the blood to areas of the body which can still function with less blood, like our facial skin. The result is itchiness or slight irritation on our face.
2. Self-comfort touches.
Lying causes stress and discomfort. What a liar does when he feels stressed is comfort himself. So watch out for body language signs of rocking, hair stroking, twiddling, or playing with ring. We all use self-comfort gestures, but this will happen more often when someone is lying.
3. Grooming gestures.
A deceptive man will adjust his necktie, cuffs, or glasses. For women, she'll fix her hair behind her ear or adjust her skirt. These gestures are alternative ways to cover the mouth and eyes. For women, instead of scratching her face, she'll scratch her legs by adjusting her skirt.
4. Hiding palms.
When you are comfortable showing your palms, you are being honest and truthful. This is because palms rarely become visible when someone is lying. The hands are the extension of your words, so watch out for the palms. If it's rarely visible, it is a sign of deception.
5. Hands in pockets.
Putting the hands in pockets could be a sign the person is lying. Someone who is being deceptive could feel guilty for lying and might want to try to hide it by keeping his hands on his pocket. Although, putting one hand in pocket could have different meaning.
6. Throat clearing.
Watch cartoon characters when they make a loud swallowing sound when they are about to get caught lying. This isn't an exaggeration. A person who feels anxious may feel discomfort because the stress dries his mouth and throat. But if the person swallows or clears his throat after responding to a question, he may not be lying.
7. Mouth and eyes shut.
Remember when you were a kid, you used to cover your mouth or eyes when you see something you don't want. Adults also tend to do the same when telling a lie, but in a more subtle way. If someone wants to be deceitful, he may cover his mouth while responding to a question. Take note that a liar won't use his entire hand to cover his mouth. Rather, he would use simpler gestures to put his hand in front of his mouth. There's also a tendency to cover his eyes. This is because he cannot bear to see the person he is deceiving. If the question is easy, but he closes his eyes while responding, this is a sign of deception.